something that I haven't heard before, so. Oh, look at this hard-working woman. What's Thor doing down here? What you doing, big boy? What you doing, big boy? You like this spot, huh? You like this spot? My compressor in the back, ARB compressor. I just have two attachments. I bring this one with me when we go camping, and then I have the one for the tires to hook onto. Focus, focus, it won't focus. Well, you guys can see it. Might not probably go. Oh. Buddy, go, buddy, go! The kids are down by the water and they found a bug and it is gnarly looking. Come on. There he is. Look at that thing.
Mom.
Woo! That's so cool. I got a river, or more like a stream. I got a little raft and there's a rapid little one down there, so that's what we're gonna try. Hopefully I don't get stuck on this corner right here.
This extreme waterfall. Ah! Wait, we survived. Wait, he all.
I'm gonna do the rapid. Uh-oh. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. We got bubbles back here. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Dad, you got bubbles.
So we are up in Gifford National Forest. We just left our campsite and now we are going to Horseshoe Lake. We've got a little spot on the we've got a little spot on the other side of the lake we kind of walk to. We have a new raft since I put a hole in the wife's raft. I went back in town and so happy that the little convenience store in the small town had a raft. Dig. Huh? Yeah. Yep, that's it.
That's the wash.
So, snake skin we found.
Like, can I see skin? That camera looks like that's hair.
Hey, hey. You're a stirrup dust. So that was Horseshoe Lake. Awesome time. Family loved it. We're walking back right now. So yeah, we're gonna drive back to the camp, get ready, and then we'll pick it up on our way to the secret spot. You guys just saw the regular road that everyone else travels on, and this is our secret spot. We just turned off, and now I'm going to turn the GoPro around so you guys can see this awesome like road that I found. I was just kind of going around on my dirt bike, just exploring, and I found this trail, and it's just wide enough so the Jeep can get to it. And man, when we get to the top, it is amazing. Here we go. Coming up the trail that you guys just saw, and I'm just hearing something that I haven't heard before, so pulled over, went under the Jeep, looking around at things, and I am missing a bolt, and I think it's all the way out. Yeah, so it's all the way out. Dang. Yeah, I might have a bolt in my toolbox. I'm gonna see if I have one, and hopefully keep going. This is our secret spot that we like coming to. This is Tay's first time. Tay, how do you like it?
I love it.
And this is like the tree that keeps on giving. Every time we come up here, we just keep getting all this wood. It's so dry and so nice.
Ooh. How's it going, Father?
Oh, good. We got dry wood. We were running out of wood down at camp too, so we were hoping there was gonna be dry wood up there.
Hello, Thor. Throw it in. No, break it. The throw's mine. Put our wood back.
So we're cooking some dinner up. So that's our day. We had the
good.
Awesome first. So as you guys saw last night, the bolt for my upper control arm is missing, so I'm going to take one out. I think probably this one. I think this bolt will go through, and hopefully that will just hold it together until we can get home. Take this bolt that we found or took out of the rear leaves, see if it'll fit. I think it's gonna fit through, but now we're gonna have to get my ratcheting strap and pull the front axle pull the top part back a little bit, so then we can just slide this through. So. Okay. Please fit, please fit. Oh yes. Yes! Awesome. Okay, so bolt fits through. Feels like it's a really good fit actually. I don't feel any play. I wish I had some Loctite with me, but I'm just gonna put this on pretty tight, but stoked. Let's go get it. Come on. So using the bolt from the rear leaves, it fits in perfect. Pulled the axle back with the ratcheting strap, and the bolt went straight in. So now, you know, I can get home safely without anything happening. Sweet.